how to delete purchase history on the Walmart app. Now, unfortunately, that is not an option, but here are some alternatives that you can use instead. You can hide your Walmart orders, archived orders. Although you can't delete the purchase history on the app, you can archive orders to make them less visible in your purchase history. All you have to do is log into your Walmart account through the app or the website. Then we will go into order history, find the order you want to hide, and then you will select archive order. This will remove the order from your main history and place it in the archived section where it is less visible. Another thing that you can do, which is a last resort, is delete your Walmart account. If you want to completely clear your purchase history, you would need to delete your entire Walmart account. You can go to Walmart's Help Center or contact their customer support. Request account deletion. This will remove all personal data, including the purchase history, but you will lose access to your account entirely. I know it's not ideal, but I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.